Today I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of the filtering options of the FloridaNatureCoast.org website to help you plan your activities and adventures on Florida's Nature Coast. Let's get started by opening a browser window on your desktop computer, tablet, or smartphone and going to the FloridaNatureCoast.org website. You should now be viewing the home page, which acts as a branching out point for finding parks, preserves, cities and towns, annual events, festivals, and attractions. Try clicking the All button near the top of the page. This will take you to what we call the Explore page, where you'll see a map showing the locations of all the points of interest, as well as a list of them on the right side. Different colors and numbers allow you to associate the names and locations of each place. If we scroll down the list, you can see that green is for parks and preserves, red is for cities and towns, blue is for annual events and festivals, and purple is for attractions. You can also see that there are a lot of activities and places to explore, over 170 of them when this tutorial was made. But the number increases from time to time as we discover new stuff to share with you. Notice that you can zoom in on the map so that fewer points of interest are shown. And as you do so, the list at the right changes so that only those places visible on the map are listed. This is one way to filter your search results if you like exploring with a map and know the area you want to explore. But there will be times when you want to define your search for activities and places with more precision, and you can do that with the options on the Filter page. Select Filter from the menu, and that's where you'll go. Although the organization of the Filter page is the same on any device, the layout you see may vary depending on whether you're viewing it on a larger screen like a desktop computer or laptop, or a small screen like a smartphone or tablet. I'm going to resize my window here to give you an idea of what you can expect on various different device screen sizes. Notice how the different filter categories are shown in two columns on larger screens and switch to one column as the screen size gets smaller. Now let's take a look at what you can do with the search filter to help you find the places and activities you're interested in. As you can see, there are four general categories of search parameters organized into different sections: Nature Coast counties, destinations, event dates, and activities and facilities. In each section, you can select or clear all the parameters by clicking the buttons labeled Select All or Clear All. To set or clear individual parameters, click on the checkbox for that search parameter. Note that by default, the counties, destinations, and event dates are checked, and all the activities and facilities are unchecked. Why is this? Because each point of interest is associated with only one county, destination type, and for events, the month it is held. But each point of interest usually has many activities or facilities. When activities and facilities are unchecked, we're telling the search filter that it's okay if the point of interest doesn't have that activity or facility. So by having all the counties, destinations, and event dates checked, and all the activities and facilities unchecked, we are telling the search filter we want to see everything. That's the default search filter setting when you first visit the website. Before we wrap things up, let me give you a few examples of how you can effectively use the search filter. Suppose you're a family with kids planning a trip down the west coast of Florida, and you want to find places to stop for the night that have tent camping and a playground. Make sure all the counties and destinations are checked. Clear all the activities and facilities, then check playground, and check tent camping. Now select the Explore tab on the menu to see the results of your search. Let's go back to the filter page and try something else. Maybe you're a horse owner and you want to find a place where there is equestrian camping and horse trails. First, clear the activities and facilities. Then check horse trails and equestrian camping. See the results of this search by going back to the Explore page. Return to the filter page and we'll do one more example. It's the middle of January and you want to plan an outing to an event in the next few weeks where there is live music. Clear the destinations, then check the Annual Events and Festivals checkbox. Now clear all the event dates and check January and February. Finally, clear all the activities and facilities and check live music. Go back to the Explore page to see what you have. We'll finish up by returning to the filter page since that has been the subject of this tutorial. It takes a lot of research and sometimes a visit to each point of interest to determine the activities, facilities, and event dates offered by each place. We can always use help from our website users to let us know if something seems amiss. For example, if you search for a point of interest with a playground and one of our points of interest that you know has a playground doesn't show up in the search results, let us know. We probably need to update our information for that point of interest to show that it does have a playground. Plus, as time goes by, things change. Parks and preserves may add features or remove facilities. New events pop up and existing events may not be held anymore. It's virtually impossible to keep up with it all without input from you. You can contact us anytime by email at floridaturecoastorg@gmail.com. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps you to use the FloridaNatureCoast.org website to its fullest so you can keep on traveling and exploring.